How to find the tire deals and book Costco tire appointments. Hey everybody, if you guys would like to do so in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So for that, to find tire deals, you can head over and browse through Costco.com and look out for tires and auto section. And you can basically find the deals and promotions on various tire brands. Go ahead and look out for the one that you may prefer. Look out for the details and everything, and just go ahead and look out for the tire that you may want. And after that is done, if you'd like to book Costco Tire appointments, you can head over and go to Costco Tire Appointments.com. Go ahead and look out for that website, which should be this one right here. Go ahead and tap on the link and open up the link. And once you open up the link, you can search for tires by vehicle or the tire size and select your desired tires. And once you go ahead and search for the item, you can just go ahead and then schedule an installation appointment at your chosen Costco tire store. Just go ahead and do so, and just go ahead and provide in the vehicle details, the model, trim, your zip code, and tap on find a tire center. After that, just go on the process of schedule an appointment. You can read the terms and conditions and also the prices and compare prices with other tire retailers, or consider the value added benefits offered by Costco, such as free services and installation. And you can enjoy free inspections and tire repairs when they purchase tires from Costco, as well as free shipping to the chosen tire center. And that's it. So if you'd also like to find the tire and book Costco tire appointments, you can head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.